Yeah. Welcome back, guys and girls, to another episode of Dad's Toy Garage. I'm super excited about this episode. It's the one I've been wanting to bring to you guys the most for the longest time. And we're putting paint on the car today. It's going to be awesome. It's going to look so good. And another note, I have some exciting news. We had our third baby, a little girl, and that is why I got this beard here. I don't have to be at work right now. I'm off for a little bit. And I'm growing her out a little bit while we have the time off. So that's some exciting news for us and our family here. And let's get right into this. Let's have some fun and let's do some painting. I just picked up this trailer and we're gonna haul the Celica in it off to the paint where we're getting it painted, and I've managed to secure a paint booth for that. Thank you to my dad. And so we're gonna get the car masked and we'll load it up tonight and head out early tomorrow morning. But man, would I love to have a trailer like that. We rented this one from a guy in town. So Dad's coming down in a bit. We've just picked up that trailer and our goal is to mask this car up, and this is our subject right here. All right, boys and girls, we made the decision it's going to be easier taking this thing to my home garage, so we're going to push it over there. See you in a little bit. So we got the car on the front driveway here. It's doing the masking process. Here's Dad. Yo. You know what I've been doing? Cutting it on the trunk. Yeah, I'm just cutting into the base material. Oh, we should have done this differently. Pieces arrived. Okay, so then you have to have it pretty much lined up with those. How's your side? Grab a tire. I got it. Okay, stop. If you just spin on the tire, we're clear. Yeah, okay, there we're in, but it's crooked. Okay, stop. There you go. Stop. Tessie? Oh, there's a deck here. You can't go any further over it. We'll go in there.
Oh, you're kidding?
Yeah, come look here.
Oh, then we gotta go again.
It's not. Yeah, I guess practice to take it out.
Attempt number 2.
There. That's better. Well, we got someone very nice let us use a booth. And it's a nice full downdraft booth. It's just setting up the car. Dad's masking the door. Just finishing up the masking. Dad's finished the door. So we're waiting on me now, getting the wheels masked, rocker's done. If Dad wants. So now we're on the process of chemical cleaning, and Dad and I have blown it off and pre-wiped it, right? And just so you know, my dad actually went to school for what we're doing, and everything I've learned, he's taught me. So he's the best painter I know.
Painting nice.
If you guys remember the video of his green Nova and the black Mustang that Brian owns, his good friend, he painted that. So actually both of them, yeah. And this is my first full car paint. I won't lie about that. I'm very excited about painting my first full car. I've done lots of motorhomes, that's what I do at work, but this is my first car. This should be easy compared to a motorhome. Now I should knock on wood.
Oh yeah, now this is I always say this is critical. If you want a clean paint job, take your time and do it right. Make sure that this new tack gloss, there's a resin in here. You gotta make sure you get that all mixed around out of the package. Put it back in. And you're ready to go. You gotta get every square inch of this card. This is the Devon at work. I haven't seen him this happy in a long time to get color mixed.
I also only slept 1 hour last night. I was pretty excited.
Yeah, I got a little more.
It might have been the caffeine in my bubble tea that I had. I never had that before.
Anyway, that's the color we're shooting for. Isn't that nice? Gorgeous color.
It's like a bartender. The medium cups are our best bet.
There you go. There's almost no overspray. Awesome.
Alright, boys and girls, we have 3 coats of base on here, and I decided I'm not telling you new viewers what the color is anymore. I'll keep it a secret, but I'm very excited about this color. It really brings out the lines, and when we actually get it outside, it's going to look totally different yet. So,
Icing on the cake.
yeah, we're icing the cake. Got the clear made up. Got Pops here tacking the car while I was mixing clear. Alright guys, we're about to enter the booth, see how the car looks. Hello.
Hey.
So, this spoiler really shows the curve of how this color does. So here's the clear drop. So what do you guys think? Should we keep these rims on there? The owner of Bev's Repair over in Manitou, and he's been very good to us today. He's allowed us to use, me and my dad, to use the booth to paint the car for the morning. Thank you very much.
Yeah, glad I can help.
I love the booth, the downdraft was the car really clean.
Yeah, turned out nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Glad I could help. Yeah, no, I haven't had great luck since I switched.
Yeah, and then you can't get it Oh, that color is pretty. Yeah, that's fine, eh? I told my dad some guys go fishing with their dads.
Well, what do you guys think? I think she looks awesome, and I'm pretty excited about this color. It's like when you're in the booth, it's one color. Some of the other guys at the shop were saying it goes from purple to turquoise to blue, all in the same sight line, depending how the light's hitting it. And you roll it outside and you got a whole new color of blue. So there's a bit of color shift to it. Definitely gonna keep this color hush hush because I like it and I like individuality. But thanks for sticking around for the whole video. I had a ton of fun painting it, painting something different than motorhomes. Painting cars is fun, painting motorhomes is work. But pays the bills, right? And if you guys enjoyed what I'm doing here, like always, like, share, and subscribe. It lets me know that you enjoy what I'm doing. It helps the channel out, helps it grow. And until next time, we'll talk to you later. Have a good one.